Okay, so your model's all set up and it's lovely, it's beautiful, but you're not able to animate it yet because it's not a character rig. So to turn it into a character rig, you're going to need to set up a hierarchy. So a hierarchy is a system where all of your objects are connected together and are able to pivot and move, and you're able to save them without them jumping around. So the first thing you're going to do is select on a limb. So I'm going to select my right arm first. And what's really important is I want to zero out everything. I'm going to freeze all of these transformations. So here in channel box, I'm just going to select all of the channels, and I'm going to right click and go freeze all. Okay, and what should happen is all of these should be zeros, scale should be 1. That means that if you forget to do this, make sure that you do it on every single limb. If you forget to do it, you're going to have your limbs flying around all over the place every time you try and animate something. So that's a really important thing to do first. So after you've done that, we're going to work on the right arm. Now I know you spent a lot of time grouping it, but you're going to ungroup one of these piece by piece and then put it back together in a hierarchy. So I'm going to go edit, ungroup, first of all. Okay, so I'm going to click on my lowest point first, so my palm, and I'm going to just zoom in here. And if I hold down, if you hit a move tool first, you need to get this guy up, and then hold down D, and this is where the pivot point is. So I'm actually going to move that to where the joint would be, say here. Okay, so what we're paying attention to is the joints, where things move, so where the wrist would be or where the elbow would be. And it's important that you put your pivot point here because you want the objects to move from this point like in real life. Okay, so make sure that you check that for each of your objects. Okay, so I've already moved them for these other parts up here. Okay, so that's what you need to do first. Next, you're going to set up the parenting system. So if you imagine that a parent has a child, so it's what the child is connected to. The child is connected to the parent. So this is my child. So I'm going to click that first. Then I'm going to hold down Shift and select the parent. So what this is attached to. Then I'm going to hit P for parent. And then if I select on the parent, my child is automatically selected. Okay. Then I'm going to continue my way up the body. So start at the lowest joint and move inwards. So I'm going to hit the pet child. I'm going to hold down Shift, click the next joint, hit P to parent that. Okay, again, hit the child, Shift, next joint, P for parent that. Okay, so now you can see that everything has gone back into that hierarchy system. This symbol should appear. So when I select that, everything below it is selected. Okay, that is how you start parenting and childing. So do that throughout your whole model. Start at the bottom, work your way in. Start at the bottom, work your way in. Start at the bottom, work your way in. Okay, so you can see that if I hold down Shift, all of these objects are connected to each other. And then this is my middle piece. Okay, what I'm going to do is join everything into that middle piece. So I've got everything selected first, hold down Shift, select that last one and hit P. And now I have got myself a character rig ready to animate. His name is John.